Good morning, my little ones. Hope you all are doing well at home. Myself, Purvi ma'am from Kitchen Space, and my today's topic is five senses. We all have heard about five senses: sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. Our senses help us to understand what's happening around us. We use our five senses every day. They are so common that one doesn't even know what these senses do. Although we smell, touch, taste, hear and see things every day, but we may not know exactly what each sense represents. By going through this activity, we will know exactly how each sense works. So our first sense organ is eyes. With eyes we can see. Now she is doing one activity of pouring water from one glass to another glass. For that she needs to concentrate. See. Without eyes it will not be possible. So उसी तरह से जैसे हम लिखते हैं, ड्राइंग करते हैं, कलरिंग करते हैं, टीवी देखते हैं, for all this we need to see with our eyes. Second sense organ is nose. With nose we can smell. She is going to smell perfume. For that, she needs to use her nose. Wow! See? Smell किससे किया है? With the help of nose. So, और जैसे हम flowers है, Mama is cooking something for you. Everything we can smell with our nose. Our third sense organ is ears. We can hear with our ears. Listen to the sound of this. This is the voice of coins. So you can hear with your ears. और जैसे हम अलग अलग क्या साउंड सुन सकते हैं? साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, साउंड ऑफ एनिमल्स, साउंड ऑफ आवर मम्मा पापा, साउंड ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड्स. ओके. Fourth sense organ is taste. We can taste with our tongue. We can taste sour, salty, bitter and sweet taste with our tongue. So first she is going to try sour taste. What is this? Lemon. How does it taste? Yes, khata khata, sour taste. Do you like it? Oranges, amla, lemon, imli, this all are sour. Next is, what is this? Salt. And salt taste salty. Next is cocoa powder. Cocoa powder taste bitter, kadwa. Medicines also taste bitter. And this one is very yummy, very tasty. What is this? Chocolate. It tastes sweet. Sugar, chocolate, cake, pastries. This all are sweet. Our fifth sense organ is touch. With the help of skin, we can feel the touch. See, what is this? Soft toy. It is very soft. So you can feel the soft touch with your skin. The table is hard. Tap it. Yes, it is hard. So you can feel soft and hard with the help of your skin. So kids, hope you enjoyed this session. Try to observe how each sense works in your daily life. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Bye.